Alright, so tonight's movie is Black Swan. It's directed by Darren Aronofsky, uh, and it came out in 2010, and it stars Natalie Portman and Mila Kunis. Um, it is an interesting movie. Darren has always been a very intriguing director. I've seen all of his work from back in even back when it was Pi to Requiem for a Dream, to Fountain, just all throughout. He's such a very visual, crazy director. But I love his work. He's always fantastic. This one is again one of those very out there kind of movies. So basically, you have a ballerina, played by Natalie Portman, who basically is trying out for a performance and all that. And when she gets it, she finds that 'cause she gets so pressured by her mom, and she has pressure from everyone to be this, to do this, to be this, to do that, do this. It's really messing with her head, and to the fact that at times she feels like she's becoming this black swan. She's transforming, and she's like growing wings, and just it's really a really bizarre movie, and amazing acting by Natalie Portman, who I again can't stress how amazing of an actress she is. She is phenomenal. And yeah, it's a great movie. Um, Not for everyone, again, because it is so psychological. A lot of people I can find it not liking it because of that, but at the same time, I definitely recommend watching it at least once in your life. And yeah, IMDb gave it an 8. I also gave it an 8. Natalie Portman won Best Actress for this role, and that shows how good it is because how good she is in this movie. So I definitely recommend it.